Good morning, everyone. Join your hands, close your eyes, and get ready for the prayer. हे शारदे माँ ये वरदान दे माँ, नादान है हम हमें ज्ञान दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ ये वरदान दे माँ, नादान है हम हमें ज्ञान दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ दे ज्ञान ऐसा तू दे ऐसी वाणी, जिससे सुखी हो हर एक प्राणी। दे ज्ञान ऐसा तू दे ऐसी वाणी, जिससे सुखी हो हर एक प्राणी। सभी को जगत में विमल बुद्धि देकर, सभी को जगत में विमल बुद्धि देकर, हो कल्याण में ऐसी विज्ञान दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ ये वरदान दे माँ, नादान है हम हमें ज्ञान दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ।
Life is just like painting. Draw the lines with hope, erase the errors with patience, dip the brush in lots of tolerance, and paint the picture with love. Good morning, my dear children. Today's thought for the day is happiness is a choice and not a result. Let me repeat, happiness is a choice, not a result. Nothing will make you happy unless you choose to be happy. It is in our hands to be happy in every circumstances. Thank you.
Good morning, dear children. I am Singham Rajita with a new word for today. It's alacrity. It's a noun. It means cheerful willingness and eagerness. I repeat, alacrity. It's a noun. It means cheerful willingness and eagerness. We can use it in a sentence like this. DPS students are completing all their given tasks with alacrity. Thank you.
Good morning, dear students. I am Smita Singh for the news updates today. A quick recap to fight against the coronavirus infections. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap. Cover your face with mask and maintain a distance of 1.5 meters from each other. Moving on from virus need, which has captured all our time and attention, let's see what's happening around the world. Trump announces $19 billion relief to farmers. DST scientists using electrostatic mask to fight against COVID. Google and YouTube are helping students and educators to continue teaching and learning process from home. CBSE introduces live fitness classes for students to work on their fitness levels. Trees permit human beings to exist. They are miracles of science. Trees have many benefits for the entire life of our planet, says Graham P. Berlin. Consistency despite expectations help MS Dhoni edge out Rohit Sharma, says Kevin Peterson. India secures direct qualification to ODI 2021 World Cup. AIFF concludes the season. Mohan Bagan declared as I-League champions. Now moving on to the weather report. Scattered thunderstorms expected today. Precipitation 40%. Humidity 43%. Wind speed 11 kilometers per hour. Now over to DPS special correspondent Srilata ma'am to share what's happening in the DPS Nacharam.
Thank you, Smita. Welcome to DPS Special Online Bulletin News. For the very first time, DPS Student Council election has found its place on the online platform. The selection procedure started with the online test in the first round. The video recording sent by the shortlisted students in the second round and today it will conclude with its final round by the process of panel interview. The motto of DPS is service before self. You all know that. This is the mantra of DPS, and we have always upheld this in times of crisis. DPS Outreach Club, under the aegis of DPS management with the support of staff, has helped the less fortunate among us by distributing food and medicines. Coming to DPS in-house duties, even in this crucial period, DPS family has not stopped rendering its services. The whole team has put all its efforts and time to make sure the students' learning is not hampered. The e-learning process platform has given students an opportunity to learn lessons and continue their progress. Not just the academics, DPS has also taken care of the co-curricular activities by engaging students through a variety of planned activities and hobby schedules to maintain their ardent spirit. And from today, classes 5 and 6 are celebrating Spirit Week. Sounds interesting, right? Spirit Week. With this is a daily theme-based dress-up activity to keep our spirits high. And yes, we are also going ahead with student-led online assemblies and peer teaching modules. And last but not the least, we are going on a virtual field trip too. Watch out for more details on that. Now students, tell me, aren't we all proud of being at EPSI?
A very warm welcome to all dear students for today's special assembly conducted by teachers exclusively for you. Feeling very happy and excited to reach you all in a very special way. So today I'm going to share amazing facts of fruits. Fruits are delicious and nutritious gift of nature, having many varieties and different tastes. They can be found in every color of rainbow. They are rich in vitamins, minerals and dietary fibers, which makes them a natural medicine. The study of fruits is called pomology. I repeat, the study of fruits is called pomology. Amazing facts. Number 1, strawberries are the only fruits with seeds outside. There are 200 seeds on an average strawberry. Number 2, red color fruits keep our heart strong and healthy. Number 3, yellow color fruits help in making our teeth and bones strong. Number 4, orange color fruits tend to keep our eyes healthy. Number 5, purple and blue color fruits enhance our memory. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning dear students. Myself Nurse Lakshmi. Hope you are all doing well. Math is an easy subject if you understand the concept and practice it from day one. You have learned many methods to find HCF. Now I am going to give few tips or the shortcut methods to find the HCF. Let us see few examples. The HCF of 8 and 12. The first step is to find the difference of these two numbers. 12 minus 8 is 4. Then check whether 4 is a factor of 8. Yes. 4 is a factor of 12. Yes. Then the HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Now let us see one more example. Here find the HCF of 21 and 35. The difference of the two numbers is 14. Now check whether 14 is a factor of 21. Yes. No, it's not a factor. And 14 is a factor of 35? No. Then find the factors of 14. What are the factors of 14? 2 into 7. Now check whether 2 is a factor of 21? No. And 2 is a factor of 35? No. Then come to the factor of 7. 7 is a factor of 21? Yes. And 7 is a factor of 35? Yes. Then the HCF of 21 and 35 is 7. Now let's see one more example. HCF of 16 and 25. The first step is to find the difference. The difference is 9. Again 9 is not a factor of 16 and not a factor of 25. Then what are the factors of 9? 3 and 3. And 3 is not a factor of 16 and 25. And 3 is not a factor of 25. Then what is the HCF of 16 and 25? The HCF of 16 and 25 is 1. When the HCF is 1, the two numbers are called co-primes. Hope you understood. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.
Good morning dear students. Welcome to this very special assembly. I hope all of you are doing good along with your families and staying safe at home during these times. Now, we are going to have a read aloud session with me, and I'm going to read a story to you. This is a short story from a book called Peace is Possible, and it is written by Prem Rawat. It has beautiful short stories, each story depicting a beautiful model. Now, the story today says The Tortoise Picnic. One day, a family of tortoises went for a picnic. They prepared the food and drinks and a blanket to sit on, and packed it all into their picnic box. They set off and walked along, and searching for an ideal spot to have their picnic. Being tortoises, they walked slowly, so it took them a little while to find a perfect place. Once they had found the spot, they went about setting up the picnic, laying down their blankets and unpacking all the snacks and the drinks that they had packed for the picnic hamper. "Oh no, I forgot the bottle opener," said the mother tortoise. "Go back and get it for me, please, will you, dear?" she asked of her eldest boy. "I'm not going back to get it," the boy cried. "Why not?" she said. "If I go, he will eat my sandwich," he said, pointing out at his younger brother tortoise. "I promise he won't eat your sandwich," said the mother in a very reassuring tone. This discussion went on for some time, until eventually the eldest tortoise agreed to go back to get the bottle opener. Then he set off for home. 1 week passed, and the younger brother tortoise started to get hungry. "Do you think my brother will really come back? I'm hungry and I would like to eat the sandwich," he said, pointing out at his brother's sandwich. "Let's wait a little longer," said the mother. 2 days later, the younger brother was famished, and he asked again, "I'm starving. Can I eat the sandwich now?" "Well, your brother has been gone for a long time. Go ahead and eat it, son," said the father tortoise. So the younger brother picked up the sandwich, and just as he was about to take a bite, the elder brother popped out from behind a tree where he had been hiding the whole time. "See, I knew it, I knew it. I knew you were going to eat my sandwich." Well, children, the situation, does it sound familiar? Many a times, being in the same family, we tend to not show trust on our family members. But then, I think this story is very apt, because at this time when all of us as a family is together, let us use this time to build trust and strengthen the bond with our family members. As all of us know, trust is the main cornerstone of any relationship, the foundation stone for any relationship. So use this time wisely, productively, and strengthen your family ties and have a lovely family moments together, for you're going to remember it for all the times that are going to come ahead. Thank you, children. Stay safe, stay home.
Good morning, dear children. It seems ages since I had the privilege of addressing you in the assembly and the joy of seeing you in action in school. I hope you, your siblings, your parents, and your grandparents are all healthy and safe. I'm sure you appreciate that in spite of this enforced lockdown and stay at home, the school has ensured to keep you engaged. The study at home program that we've been offering you for almost a period of 40 days was planned with great care. It took a lot of effort from our teachers, the computer science department, the IT department, and a whole team of members to make it possible. But then, at this point, I must acknowledge that your parents who stepped into the role of a teacher to support your learning program at home have to be greatly appreciated. Apart from catching up on conceptual learning and understanding. We also brought in a lot of skill development. There was a lot of effort to enhance the creative aspect, your personality. The program also enhanced your personality traits, your creative expressions, your confidence to read and write. And importantly, we also added value in terms of fitness, instructional video shared with you, music and dance instructional videos too. Did it not give you a great joy, my dear children, that each day was spent with loads of exciting new learning and given in small doses, not very heavy on you, and you had the pleasure of completing the task as per the plans of the school and posting it to your class teacher. And as you know, dear children, in Delhi Public School, Nacharam, great care has been given to instilling the best of social and personal values in you. I'll be very glad if your family is getting to see you at your best, showcasing these values, values of cooperative behavior, acceptance, willingness to help and support each other. And I'm sure you and your family have extended a helping hand to the society. The sense of gratitude, the very fact that we are all thankful to the fact that we are healthy and happy, we have a home for ourselves, we have all that we need at this point of a global pandemic. The sense of gratitude will lead a long way to making our life much more special. I feel it's relevant to mention Delors' very important principle of live and let live. At this point of a global pandemic, it's so important not to just take care of ourselves, but it's very important to think of the community outside our family, think of our state, our country, and also importantly, the world.